Okay, exciting day today. We're going to take the first round of chickens that we hatched. It was about 7 weeks ago. They're just getting too big for their little container here. And as you remember, we had 5 chickens that survived the first round of hatching. And usually, you want to keep them in a nice, warm, secure area for maybe around a couple months. Really kind of just depends on if they've got their feathers and they look strong enough to survive the outdoors and the other chickens. But and then if you remember, about 3 weeks ago we hatched some baby chicks, and those guys, they're quite a bit smaller. The smaller chickens there about 3 weeks old. These guys are about 7 weeks old. So we're going to take the ones that are a little older, and we're going to put them out with the other chickens. And you may notice that we only have 2 little ones from 3 weeks ago, and that was our huge disappointment. We put in 20 some eggs. Once they hatched, we only had 2 that actually hatched, so we didn't have a lot of excitement to show a lot of chicks hatching because only 2 came out. So I did a little research and I realized, well, there is some truth to in the winter time they're just less productive. Let's go ahead and take these chickens out, and we're gonna lift the lid off of this and go ahead and take a few of these guys. We'll maybe take them 2 at a time. Try not to lose any along the way. They're not gonna like this much. Try to keep the dog from getting them. This guy here, we think one of them's a rooster. We don't know if it's him, but definitely one of them is making a squawking noise. Put this lid back on. We don't lose any. All right, these are the first 2. Gonna go out into the wild. All right, this should be interesting. Last time we introduced the new chickens, they got beat up on a little bit, but now they're all one big happy family. So we'll see how they treat the newcomers this time. A little wet out, a little muddy, so this will be kind of a shock to their world. All right, let's see how they adapt here. Everybody knows there's a couple newcomers. They talked about a pecking order, and that really comes from the other chickens establishing who's in charge. This Buff Orpington here, generally they're pretty friendly, so they seem to be the first one to say hello. Checking them out, saying hello. All right, let's go get the others and see how they do. And normally we would let these guys out during the day when we're home and the dog's locked up. We'd let them out and run around in the field, but given the new guys are here, they're gonna wanna be here for a few weeks, know this is home, so know where to come back to. Otherwise they wouldn't know where to go. Yeah. See that big old rooster? I think we have another rooster. We'll see how he does with welcoming another rooster into the flock, but he's been a pretty good bird so far, so we'll see if he gets mean or not. So I think these guys will do well. They'll figure out pretty soon to go inside for the dry. Well, chicken scratch, they like it. You give it to them a couple times. Give them a handful every day or so. Some chickens are friendlier than others. Like I said, in the wintertime, you know, a chicken will lay an egg about every other day. In the summer, you get 5 or 6 days out of the week that they'll lay an egg. But kind of cool to add 7 of our own, and we'll probably try to do it again here, like I said, in a couple months. Right now it's December. It's kind of cold. This is a warmer day, so this is a good day to put them out. And they seem to be doing good.